Hello my lovelies, welcome back to another episode of McCall Media TV, whereby in today's episode I'm actually going to show you how to change a theme from a free version or the light version, depending on how your particular theme is named, to the paid and licensed version. Now, if you've been watching my YouTube tutorials so far today, you'll know that I've been working with a theme by Fame Themes called Wordpress Lite. Their paid license is, or their paid theme is called the Wordpress Plus, and I'm already an agency, so I already have a license code that I can use. And the reason that we are going to do this is purely because of the fact that if we look at the website that we've been putting together so far, at the moment we have a copyright statement at the bottom here that basically advertises the Wordpress theme, which I have no qualms against, but it doesn't necessarily reflect me as a professional design agency and whatnot, so I need to customize this to my own personal unique way of doing things as a McCall Media TV business. So that means I need to use the licensed version, and that's what this video is all about today, because I'm going to teach you how to do that change between a free and a paid version. So we're looking at converting from free to paid. So if you haven't come across me so far, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Where's my little button gone? Hey. And I'm just going to show you my socials so that you know how to find me in the future. Okay, so let's dive back on over to our website. So this is where we've left it on the last couple of videos. As you can see, I've only worked with the hero bar so far because my channel is literally only 24 hours old. I've not done anything with it. If I click on this right now, you will see that we go to my channel. I've got a little subscriber link in at the top there to help me have that pop up, but I've only got the one video. So it's really early days, and as any new business, I'm not necessarily in the position to be able to give all the content that I would need to populate a full website, but we are better off working with a site that looks like this than having a big old grey holding page, which is what was generally going to happen. So the only thing I have just noticed that I will do is I will need to tweak that so that we don't navigate away. So I've just realised that needs to be updated as a link, but right now we are more concerned with changing this website into a licensed version so that in my next tutorial we can customize with HTML and CSS combinations the footer details. So let's crack on. Right, so here I am in my tab up here. I'm in my WordPress website already. Now if we start by going down to where it says themes, we can see that this is the only theme that is installed on this website. Now I have used Fame Themes off and on for many years. This is where you can find out more about them. So I'm just going to right click and open them in a new tab up here. Okay. Now, if we go to pricing, just so that you guys can see, I'm a Fame Club member. In fact, actually, I think I'm this lifetime now, but I can't remember which one I've got now. But I have access to like thousands of licenses, okay, which is the smarter way as an agency to operate. But for you guys, you might just want to basically pay for the Wordpress Plus add-on because you're only working with the one theme, at which point you're looking at like the $59 mark, and this is how you can buy it. Now once you have done that, you will obviously be able to log in and to their website. Okay, so when you've logged into your Fame Themes site, you'll have a screen pretty much similar to this, at which point you will be able to download the plugins, which while I'm on this screen, actually I'm just going to do now. So we are basically going to plug in the Plus extension to give us the extra tools and features that come with a paid version. So all I've done is click on that. It's a zip file. If you were carefully looking at my screen up in the top right corner, you would have seen it downloaded. I'm in Firefox. There's the file that I've downloaded, so I'm going to click on this to open the folder, and just ignore everything that's going on in my hierarchy over here. But down in my downloads, which can be accessed via your quick access, or if you are under the PC, you can go to the PC, it might have a downloads button there, or go to C drive, users, Angela McCall, and then you'll find your downloads folder. Okay, so here is my my file, the zip file that we need for the plugin, which we're going to use in a minute, so I know where to find it in my downloads folder. That's good. Okay, and if you look along here, it gives you your licenses. So we've downloaded the tool, and I just want to show the licenses. Now I'm obviously going to blank out the licenses because I don't want you guys necessarily going to run with it. Essentially, you've got licenses for all of their different tools and functionality as the club member. So we are going to come back in here, and I've now downloaded the plugin. So I'm going to come to plugins, and I'm going to add new. Okay, so we're going to upload a plugin this time instead of looking for one. And it does give us a little warning there saying, please make sure that the plugin is in a zip format, which ours is, and you may be able to install it and upload it here. And this is also another way of doing things. If your download of a plugin is really big, or you're struggling to get a plugin to actually take and it keeps failing, try and find the original format to download it and then upload it this way, because you can upload much bigger files, then that will actually help you than sometimes is possible through the actual WordPress point and click interface. So we are going to just quickly navigate to our downloads. There's my file. I've just clicked on it, and you probably can't see, but I'm just going to move the screen, and all I'm going to do is click on open, and it populates in here. Okay, so it basically unpackages, installs, and then tells us everything is fine and we can activate the plugin. But that's not the job done, because now the plugin exists, but we actually have to tell it that we've paid for it. So you could actually get this file yourself without having had the license. You just still won't be able to use all the tools. So what we need to do now is basically populate the license. So I am going to come back over here where we've gone to appearance. We're going to go to the Wordpress theme itself. Okay, so up here now, instead of advertising to purchase it, it can tell that we've installed the plugin, but it is going to say you need to still give us a license key. So this is where I would now go to my Fame Themes account, and I'm basically going to copy and paste my license and save it. Now that we've done that, if we go back to the overview, all right, if you remember or you've seen in previous videos, only some of these were available. In fact, actually, I'm going to turn all of them off, but we've basically gained all the ones that are green are the new sections and features and tools that have been added. So I'm just going to turn everything off again, because if you have been following my journey so far, I've been showing you how and what we're doing. So I just don't want to skip ahead in any different sections, but you could see that there was all those other features that weren't there. If you're not sure, go and compare or go and look before you do this for yourself. But it will allow me now to customize the footer text on my site. So if I bring my site back up here and I just remove my title, so you can see at the moment we're still saying copyright is by Fame Themes and all that jazz. But what we want to do is I want to customize it. So I'm just going to show you that it will now allow me to do so, but I'm not going to do so. That's going to be on our next video. So customize that footer. There we go. It says copyright. This now is all free for us to do what we want. And if you can see here, it's got this hide theme author link. So if I just remove my title from the screen, and you can watch down here, if I click on this button, it's now just going to leave me with the copyright 2020 point and click puzzle games, which for this video is fine and dandy. That's it from me today on this video. Another short, sweet video, but that's how you basically do an upgrade to your theme. You download the plugin as a zip file, you upload the plugin onto the website as a zip file, and then you have to basically go and activate it and apply the license. So it's not really that complicated. It does depend on the particular author of that plugin and the theme, but there are nice companies out there like Fame Themes that make things really nice and easy. So thank you very much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. Please do subscribe, stay notified to my channel, and I'll see you on another video real soon.